Every year, thousands of investors rush to lose their money. Sounds crazy, right? But it's easily done. The glossy brochures, the credible sounding broker, the tempting returns on offer. It's really not surprising that investors are so quick to pump in money. 25, 50, 100 grand, sometimes much more. The fear of missing out is powerful, but when an investment goes wrong, that money is at risk. Best case, you're locked into poor performance and don't get the results you're expecting. But the worst case, the money is gone forever. And that hurts, believe me. But do you know what the really sad thing is? A lot of the time, bad investment decisions are completely avoidable. You see, too many people make their decisions with their heart, not their head. They're impulsive. They believe the sales pitch. They rush. Instead of being objective, instead of analyzing the facts and assumptions, instead of taking their time. So what type of investor are you going to be? One that rushes and loses money, or one that takes the time to succeed, be smart and do the right thing? Take your time. Learn how to invest in real estate.